5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 right, down, 5 left, half long, 100. Slight right over small crest into 3 right, half long, 40. 6 right long and down, 4 left long and care, 2 right, very, very slippy, tightens. 4 left long and care, 2 right, very, very slippy, tightens. Into 1 left, tightens, 170. 3 left, tightens into hairpin left, all outside, tightens. 3 left, tightens into hairpin left, tightens, all outside. And hairpin right, logs on exit, into 4 right long. Turn hairpin left. And 5 right. Into 3 left cut, 40. 4 left cut, opens over small crest. And 5 right in. 100, hairpin right, deceptive. Don't cut. Hairpin right, deceptive, don't cut. And 5 left continues for 80. Into 5 right, 60. 6 right and 2 left long, don't cut late. 6 right and 2 left long, don't cut late. Turn 3 right into 1 left sudden, don't cut. 40, 3 left long in, 40, turn hairpin right, loose. 130 up middle. Well done. 130 up middle, 1 left at lane and 6 left. 6 left, 40, 4 left over crest bump, tightens. 60 down, hairpin left long. Into 1 right long, tight. It's a long one, good lad. 1 right long, tight and 6 right over crest. Into 2 left in. 80. Small crest on hairpin right. There's your small crest. Hairpin right just after. And 170 down. 4 left, don't cut, 150. 2 right over small crest, narrows late and tightens. 2 right, tightens, narrows late over small crest, 40. 5 left, half long and 6 right. 60, square left long, don't, deceptive. Square left long, deceptive. And 5 right long. 60, 6 left over bump, 80. 6 right over small crest, 40. 5 left continues for 100, tightens into 1 left late. Continues for 100, tightens into 1 left late. Into 1 right. Into 2 left. Into 1 left, tightens into hairpin right. 1 left into hairpin right. And 1 left, opens. 60 through post, turn hairpin left. Through post, hairpin left. And 3 right. Into 2 left, stump inside. And 6 left long, don't cut. Into 6 right. Small crest long and 5 right, 100. 6 right, 80. 6 right, 80, turn hairpin right, tight through posts. Crest middle, 200. Six left over crest jump, 150. 6 right. 6 left over crest jump, 150. 6 right, 150. 6 left long, 150. Small crest into 2 left. Small crest falls away into 2 left, opens. Into 4 left long. And 6 right over small crest. 40, 5 left tightens over crest, camber, don't cut. 40 down, 5 right. 40, 4 right half long, don't cut, into 2 left. 2 right, slowing, hairpin right, tightens. 40. Well done. Square left, don't cut. 40. 1 left long, don't cut, tight. 80. 6 right over crest. 6 right over crest. 100. Big crest jump middle. 150 down. 5 right long, tightens into hairpin right. 5 right long, tightens hairpin right. There it is, keep going. 60. 4 left continues for 100, tightens into 1 left. Continues for 100, tightens into 1 left. 60. Well done. 6 left. 60. Small crest into 3 left long. Into 4 right. 200. Small jump and 5 right. Small jump and 5 right into 4 left and turn hairpin right, drop outside. 5 right, 4 left, turn hairpin right, drop outside. 40, 2 left, don't cut. 40, turn square right, don't cut. 250 middle. 2 right over crest, 60. 3 right, 100. 5 left continues for 100, tightens into 1 left over crest, don't cut. Continues 100, tightens, 1 left over crest, don't cut. And down 5 right, 40, 5 right long, tightens. And 6 left over crest, 130, 6 left over crest and 4 right half long, don't cut. And 6 right over crest, 40, 6 right, 80, 6 right long, 130 down, 3 right half long tight, 130, 2 left past junction, 150, 6 left, 80, 3 left tight into 5 right, continues 100, tightens. 3 left tight, continues into 5 right, continues 100, tightens. 60 down, 4 right. 40, 5 left long. This is your 4 right. 40 down, 5 left long. 4 left past Hut. 100, turn hairpin left opens. 80, narrows ahead, tight, turn hairpin right long, round barrier.
Repeat. Repeat, please.
Hairpin right long, round barrier, tight. And 3 left into 5 right, 150. There's 5 right, 150. Turn hairpin left tightens, 200. Four right. 4 right and 2 left at junction, don't cut, 130. Right, don't cut, 40. 6 left continues for 100 into 3 left, 4 right. Continues 100 into 3 left, 4 right, 40. 6 left long opens, 40. 3 right in, 60 turn, 1 right. 40. 6 left continues for 130, tightens 4 right. 40, 6 left continues, 4 right over finish. 6 left continues, 4 right over finish. That's it, mate, well done. That was a nice stage.
That was a goodie, that.
That was good. It flowed.
Yeah, that was one of my better efforts, that was.
That was a very good.